For more than a century, Clinton Engineering has helped shape the landscape of this community. From bridges and schools to the places where we live and work, our story is built into the fabric of Clinton and the surrounding area. We're the region's leading general contractor and self-performed team, known for building with skill, safety, and integrity. Our full-service capabilities span industrial, commercial, and civil construction, including concrete, carpentry, and steel, delivered by a team that builds with safety, efficiency, and pride in every detail. Our legacy isn't just measured in what we've built, it's reflected in the trust we've earned. A century of trust, a century of impact, a century of building Clinton's future. And we're just getting started. Clinton Engineering, a proud member of the McCarthy Bush family of companies.